You cannot run away from the reality. God has called us a generation to go and inspire the generation which is coming. I'm speaking to somebody who was heartbroken at night. I'm speaking to somebody who has been blocked as we are speaking here because somebody saw you walking with a lady. I'm speaking to somebody who is going hell in your life. Even the landlord ameingia kwa mlango wako. Ameshafunga and you are seated here. And you have seen that message. Pop, please, I'm locking your door. I'm speaking to somebody who has gone to the county office looking for employment for 10 years. And you have seen nothing. Every time you have done application and you are almost giving up. Let me tell you, my friend, this life is so sweet. Hata maisha ya kutembeze namna gani, usiwahi fikiria kujiua. Hallelujah. Tembea na hiyo maisha, kwani hiyo maisha silikubulipata na utaiacha. Inapokuwa ngumu, kaa mgumu. Hallelujah. Unapopata kwamba changamoto imetokea somewhere, umeenda somewhere, you have been rejected, kaa strong. Hallelujah. Ninashangaa wanaume mko hapa, wengine mmetairiwa, ukishablokiwa umeanza kulia kama umbo ambayo imenyimwa nyama. Wanawake mko hapa, you can say, you are loudly coming up and saying, I cannot do without you. Na kwani huyo mtu alikuzaa? Si ni mtu ambaye uliokota on the way. On the way akakwambia I love you, the way amekuambia hapa, he will follow you or she will follow you. And then you put your trust in that person. Come on, church. Hallelujah. Put your trust on God himself. Hallelujah. The rest of the things are what we call AOBs. They will find us on the way. If they find you on the way, let them join you. If they drop them and leave them and keep moving. Hallelujah. Usiwahi poteza mwelekeo.
Get the point. Take a step forward.